Hello viewers, today we will discuss second video lecture on big data, paper code CS44. This e-content prepared by Department of Statistics MCAPU, Faculty Jairam Grant. Big data sources. Big data consisted by huge amount of data. These are following sources of big data. The first one is social networking sites, in which Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, all these sites generate huge amount of data on day to day across the world. E-commerce sites, the sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba generates huge amount of data from user logins and trace every day the data of users, sell, purchase. Weather station. All the weather stations collect the data from satellite, and the data will be huge because they store data manipulated for weather forecasting. The computation of data will be very complex. Share market, stock exchange across the world generate huge data through daily trade and transitions. Telecom company also keep customer calling record and information whose data volume large and storage requires big data. So we can say that these are all the sources of big data. Big data solutions. Big data solutions consisted by three parts. The first one is storage, the second one processing, and the third one analysis. The storage requires a special type of file system which is known as Hadoop distributed file system, which use commodity hardware platforms. A commodity hardware platform is a special type of hardware platform which consisted by a large data storage using distributed fashion. Processing, it is consisted by two map reduce paradigm, where map and the reduce are two parts, where map takes a set of data and converts into another set of data, whereas a reduce reduces the amount of data after the processing. This platform is totally consisted upon Java application based on this algorithm, which help us for processing the huge data organized by HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system. The third one, analysis. The analysis requires various types of algorithms which are specialized by software tools and applications, which are predictive, analytic, data mining, text mining, forecasting, and data optimization. These are the process to analyze stored and processed data. Big data life cycle. Big data consisted by so many phases: business problem definition, research, data acquisition, then human resource assessments, then data munging, data storage, exploratory data analysis, data preparation for modeling and assessment, modeling, and the last implementation. These are all 10 steps known as big data life cycle. Life cycle details. The first part, problem definition. This stage define the problem. The second one, research. In this stage, search the appropriate tools for the solution of given business problem. Third one, human resource assessment. This is stage of the life cycle for big data, where human resources used or applied to collect the data for optimal solutions. Data acquisition. This is stage after the human resource assessment and apply non-trivial step of the process. In this case, data collected using non-trivial gathering. It is normally involves unstructured data from the different sources. Data munging. Just when data acquisition completed, we need to munging our data, which means that in this format, the unstructured data reduces into a structured format. Then we need structured data to store using data storage. The data storage use special type of language. That language is known as high query language. This query language may be SQL dependent or no SQL. Here various types of data sources, data warehouses used by MongoDB, Redis and Spark for the data storage after data munging. Exploratory data analysis. Once the data is stored into data storage, then we need to analyze the data by using various types of algorithm and statistics techniques which analyze the data, and after that it will prepare the data and finally implement the data for the viewers for the business and implementation. Thank you viewers for watching my video.